friends. The festival of lights, which means the beautiful occasion of Diwali, is coming to our home once again this year. I asked my mother, why do we have to make the same snacks and sweets every time on Diwali? Why can't we try a variety? So my mother suggested me an idea of Mawa chocolate barfi. So today I am going to show you this easy and simple recipe of Mawa chocolate barfi. So let's start making. So to make the Mawa chocolate barfi, I have taken 2 cups of Mawa or khoya, 1/3 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of milk and sliced pistas and almonds for garnishing. I have also taken a tray which I have greased with some ghee. First, I have heated a pan and then I am going to add the mawa. Friends, we just have to melt the mawa and we do not have to cook it. So now the mawa has melted. Next, I will add the sugar and the milk in it. Next we have to cook it for 4 minutes. We do not have to overcook it. When the mawa gets thickened, we have to off the flame. Next, I am going to garnish it with the dry fruits. I thank you for subscribing my channel and giving me encouraging comments. Hope you like this video too, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.